What's up, everybody? Just got the text, pictures, and phone call. Just went by the bank, picked up some money. We are on our way to pick up the engine for the number 13 street stock. We are going to try to put it in this week and possibly even try to go test or shake it down this weekend. I've been waiting a long time for that text, that phone call. So I'm going to take you with me as we go get it. Ever since I went and tested my car at Tri-County, my older brother came with me, and he had the time of his life. Something about my older brother is he used to do this before me. And we used to do it together when we raced go-karts or racing lawnmowers or whatever we could find that was, I guess, affordable for him at the time, because he was the one making all the money. We raced together, and even to the point where we went and got like decals and stuff made for May's Brother Racing. Well, he got out of it. I stayed in it. He went like dirt late model racing, so kind of stayed out on his own. I think it was like LJ Motorsports or something. He has been with me ever since we went and tested in June at Tri-County. And let's just say he is just as excited as I am. So he's going to ride with me. We're going to go to Taylorsville and pick up the engine. So I'm on my way to his house to pick him up. That's the first stop we'll make. I'll probably have to get some fuel, and then we'll head to Taylorsville to Harrington Machine Shop to pick up the engine. So we'll see you then. All right, it's here. We finally got it back. I've gotten plenty of phone calls, so I was not able to record putting the clutch and flywheel on it, but I've got that on there. I had to go buy an alignment tool to get the clutch aligned. Got the bell housing on it, so I'm gonna go straight from my truck right into the car, and I'll take you along with me. we'll probably have a couple hours worth of stuff to do: exhaust, transmission, drive shaft. And then because of the weather, I'm not going to put water in the system yet. I'm just going to wait. So it's in there. It's off the bed of the truck. All right, so went ahead, pulled some parts out of the trailer. This is what we're going to try to install tonight. As you can see, the motor is sitting in it. Went ahead and put the headers on it. So next we're going to kind of line up the front of the motor, kind of drop it back down, snug it down, and then I'll go underneath and we'll put the transmission on it. Make sure that the tail shaft is in the center of the car, and then start putting exhaust on it. I do want to get videos of it, but I've noticed a lot of the times when I'm just working, you're getting to see my back. So that's why I'm doing this one a little bit different. I'm gonna do a little bit of work and then record and show you guys what I did. I do have to clean up the rust and stuff. Ooh, I hope that didn't scratch. But yeah, let's get the transmission in it. The throwout bearing, it's over there somewhere. Get that installed, hooked up, transmission installed, and then we'll put the exhaust on it and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are. I think it's been probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. Got the rest of the exhaust in, got the transmission in, the drive shaft loop in, the engine square in the car. I am letting the air compressor build up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it on the ground, roll the car out of the garage, clean the garage up, and then roll it right back in so that we can do nut and bolt. We'll top off all the fluids, hook the battery up, and get ready for Friday. Because the weather is going to be a little bit better, we'll wait till Friday and we'll see if we can crank this thing on Friday. Okay, so I got it rolled outside. We'll go over kind of what I did today. All right, so we got radiator hoses hooked up, engine sitting in there squared, bolted the carburetor up. I still got some wiring stuff I want to do. I got to pull the spark plug wires away from the header. So the transmission, it's in there. I redid the wiring this off season. I should have videoed it, but I didn't. And then the exhaust is on it, drive shaft on it. This is the first time with new decals and everything that it's sitting and rolling. Engine's in it. It's not quite ready to be fired up yet, so we'll keep working on it, get ready for Friday. I got some panels that I went over to my brother's house to make. We're gonna come basically block this off, come up and over, and land it on top. Just have to finish doing that, but let me throw the hood on it really quick and we'll take a look and see what it looks like with the hood on it. So this is what it looks like with the hood on it. I still got to put the front windshield in it, but I want to wait just to make sure my wiring and stuff is good for easy access. Got to put the quarter window in it. Got to put my radio harness, put it somewhere it's easily accessible, and then the fire extinguisher cable has to be mounted. So still got a couple, probably a couple hours worth of stuff to do, but the biggest thing is we got the engine back. We've been waiting on that. Gosh, I haven't even looked at my list. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Huh. Okay. Well, it's out. It's outside. That's what it looks like. We got some more decals that are going on it. So I might video me putting those on while it's outside. So that's gonna do it. I know it's been a while. The last video y'all saw was I decal in the car. I got sick 2 weekends ago, and it's kind of carried over into this week, and we were kind of just waiting on the motor stuff, and so motor's in. Can't wait to bust this thing off on Friday and see what we got, and potentially go test on Saturday. It just depends on what everyone's schedule looks like. Haven't announced exactly what we're going to do yet. I do want to get through the test session first, and then kind of go from there. But we got 2 tracks that are really close to us at Hickory Motor Speedway and Tri-County Motor Speedway. But good buddy of mine, Boo Carlisle with Kicking Asphalt, he's got the Star Super Stock Series, and man, I've been telling him for 3 years while I've been trying to get this thing ready that I'm going to come run for him. And so don't have an announcement yet, but stay tuned. Depending on how the test session goes, we're going to record the test session. We're going to use that not just as a test for the car, but we've never done like videos or GoPros in the car, and really like to set up to where you can hear our radio communications. So we're trying all this stuff out without throwing bukus of money at it. And yeah, so motor's in. We're gonna try to fire it up Friday, test possibly on Saturday. Season opener for Star Tour in Hickory is March 7th. Gosh, what else? Let's see. Let me see if I can flip the camera around here. So we got Farm Bureau of Hudson. That's Mark Hamby, his office out of Hudson. I've been with him, gosh, it feels like it's been almost 10 years now. And every time I renew for my insurance, he's always looking for ways to save money. So Mark Hamby, Farm Bureau Insurance of Hudson. Auto Glass Experts of Hickory. Go see those guys for all auto glass repair, whether it's windshield repair, chips, cracks. Go see those guys, Auto Glass Experts of Hickory, North Carolina. And then, of course, everyone who's jumped on board the Helpful 100. We're overwhelmed with the amount of support that we have so far, and can't do it without our Helpful 100 group. So that's all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.